Come hear the lions roar. Robert Small's Leadership Academy is proud to present its first full musical production, The Lion King Jr.
So the play is basically about finding your heritage and one's past, going back and forth, and learning about who you really are.
The young performers from 4th through 8th grades are excited to be up on stage, stepping into their costumes, and bringing some of the story's most beloved characters to life.
What I enjoy most about being Rafiki is how he's kind of like crazy and just appears randomly in scenes and moves around. It's really funny, and I love the singing parts. The music is amazing for Rafiki's part.
I am playing Shinzi, who is the leader of all the hyenas, and I really like this character because she's like a girl boss. Like, she's like a really sassy hyena.
From backstage to center stage, this is a student-run production with the students setting the scenes, running the lights and sound, and bringing the story to life through their lines and choreographed dances.
I started help with the mourning, which is after Mufasa's death, and I really helped embody that like sadness. Whereas the second one that we did was Shadowland, which is where Nala went away and she had to leave her people, and she helped me choreograph that one.
I really enjoyed doing the dance for like Rafiki's part and Nala's part, like doing those dances and helping make up the dances. They were really fun to do.
The performances will take place March 13th and 14th at 6:30 p.m.
There's beautiful songs in it. The scenery is beautiful. There's tons of bright colors, and there's tons and tons of characters that you might even relate to.
Tickets are just $5. All are welcome to attend. At Robert Small's Leadership Academy, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.